how to use Zelle with Fidelity Investments. So if you want to use Zelle with Fidelity Investments, what you can do is you just need to open up your Zelle application in order to receive send or request for the money. So what you need to do is to get started, you need to log into your Fidelity bank or investment account. For that, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to search for fidelity.com. And once you search for that, you need to simply click on accept, and once you've accepted, you will have this kind of interface. Now simply click on start here, and then you need to log into your account. Once you've logged into your online account, you need to click on the option that is send money with seal, which will be located on the right side. You'll need to enter in your email address on the US phone number and receive one-time password or OTP. After done entering the OTP, you need to mark on this terms and conditions, and then you are ready to start sending and receiving money with Zelle. In order to send money using the Zelle app, what you need to do is simply select someone from your mobile device. For the contact list, either you'll need to add the email address or the mobile number to begin with, and enter the amount that you wish to transfer. And you can also add a description that is optional. And in the next interface, you will be asked to review all of the information that is provided. If you're sure about it, just click on the send button, and in most of the cases, the money will be available to the recipient in a minute. Now, the step number 3 is in order to request money using your Zelle app, what you need to do is you need to click on the request button. After logged into your Zelle, and then you'll need to select the individual or the contact list to whom you want to request the money, and then enter the amount that you would like to receive and review all of the information provided. And in this way, you can request for the money, and in order to receive the money, you just need to enroll your email address or the US mobile number and then ask them to send money with yourself. In this way, you can use it as a lab with Fidelity Investment account. And that's all for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.